Looking for the best air fresheners? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 air fresheners on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Wick LifeSense Freshmatic Automatic Spray Kit. Automatically sprays air freshener at regular intervals. Includes 2 Summer Delights replacement cartridges. Many scents available. Refills can last up to 60 days each. This air freshener from Wick is an excellent set-it-and-forget-it system that will keep a room smelling like lavender, cinnamon, or your personal favorite scent for months at a time. Easiest to use. You cannot set the dispenser to a timer. A refill will only last 60 days if you place the dispenser on the lowest setting. At number 2. Glade Aerosol Air Freshener, Lavender and Vanilla. Large variety of available scents, including red honeysuckle nectar and crisp waters. Effective at combating stubborn odors. Lasts for up to 7 hours at a time. Ergonomic design. Convenient case of 12 cans. Simple to use and active for hours after each application, Glade air fresheners are a sweet-smelling solution and an excellent value at 12 cans per pack. Best deal. While Glade's air fresheners smell good, keep in mind that these sprays are not air disinfectants. At number 1. Caldrea Essential Oil Air Freshener Spray. Distinct, premium fragrances. Choose from 6 different varieties including gilded balsam birch, lavender cedar leaf, and rosewater driftwood. Made without artificial colors, parabens, or animal products. Instantly freshen any room or garment with these delicate, nature-inspired scents that avoid harsh chemical smells. Premium scent. These products smell different from your typical air fresheners, and may not be for everyone. Expensive for the volume you get. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.